So this plywood will be the base of our lift mechanism. Our lift will slide on these steel rods. It's quite important to make the holes at the right place, or else the lift will stuck on the way. To hold the pulley, it needs a clamp. It needs accurate measurement for the clamp to fit properly. Now making a 3D model of the clamp using a 3D builder software. I made a mistake in the measurement, so I fixed it by melting it. Now it fits nicely. Our lift is moving freely. I am making a holes to place the pulley. I got this geared pulley from the old printer. This belt will hold our lift to move up and down. I made a hole to fit the knot on belt. This way our lift will move. Using a high torque geared motor to run our mechanism. Let's see if it works. It moves quite smoothly, but we have to keep flipping the polarity of the battery to move up and down. To fix this problem, I have taken this DPDT toggle switch wired this way for reverse switching. I will place the switch and controller on this case I got from the old soldering iron. Okay, now to power our lift, I have taken this 12-volt adapter. It runs quite smoothly. We can even control the speed along with the direction. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.